Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the copy to clipboard. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that click to copy. So when I click on the copy button here you can see if I just paste this one, so phone number is there. When I click on this copy to click, and here you can see the email is copy, right? So how we have implement this in the React, let's have a video on that. Okay, so I'm just using the npm package that is clipboard copy and which has a number of downloads. Okay, so react from the React copy from the clipboard copy. So whatever you want to copy, just declare the constant variable over here. Then we have a handle copy. When I copy the text, okay, so copy the text to the clipboard console.log. If I just go and that one, so here you can see when I try to copy this one, console is there, right? So this one copied example.com. If I click on this one, copied this to the clipboard, right? So this is copied, right? So handle copy. And what we have done with this, click on copy, span, style, cursor, pointer, margin left, or when I click on this one, you can just highlight the text also to design it. So that will be a better thing, right? So click to copy, span, on click, handle copy, phone number. Okay, so when I click on the phone number, it will go with the phone number, and handle copy, email address. Okay, so this is how you can do. Another way, if you don't want to go with the plugin or the npm package, you can also do with the navigator. Okay, so navigator.clipboard, write text to copy. Okay, so this is also a thing I will show you, right? So I will just comment this one, right, and open this one. Just give me a second. So here we go with this one. If I try to open this, here you can see copy the text. When I click on this one, text copy to the clipboard, and this is hello world basically, right? So we have defined already in the clipboard to use, that is hello world. So this is also a thing that you can do with navigator.clipboard.write text. You can just copy whatever text you want to do and modify it accordingly. Okay, and I will just review the code and just button that copy to clipboard. Okay, so this is also the way that you can copy to clipboard that way. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.